Sorry about that, I hit the wrong button, but there it is. That is on low beam. Let me go flip it on high beam real quick and show you what it looks like on high beam. And that is high beam. It's like a projector type headlight, bright, as you can see on the with it on the garage door. Here, I will flip it on and off. That's, oops, gosh darn it, it's doing it again. So I'm gonna have to find out what the hell's going on, why I'm having such a issue with the headlights. I think it might be ground issue, which, yep, it is a ground issue. So I'm gonna have to mess with it and see if I can't get it figured out why it keeps flicking on and off. Yep. So I'm gonna have to run a better ground because it's not liking. That's what the headlight looks like on low beam. And I'm gonna like that because, and here is high beam there, low beam, high beam. High beam is more of a projector that I'm gonna have to adjust it, which I probably won't be using high beam much anyways, not with having low beams. That's going to give me so much more lighting on the car. And then I got right there's the DRL. I got to hook that up, and the DRL is going to make it to where it runs when it's on, when the car's just on headlights itself. Alrighty, I will get back with you. That's all for now. I got 3 more headlight buckets to cut out to finish up the job, and I will show it when it's finished. Thank you. Like and subscribe, and appreciate your viewing